Hello viewers, today I'm at the Cleveland Metro Park Zoo, where I'm doing videos about animals that live in Asia and Africa. Before we begin, it's basically some type of video that's on the U of animals. The first animal on our list today is the climbing toad. The climbing toad's scientific name is Pedostipus hosa. This toad lives in subtropical and tropical lowland forests along rivers and is the only true arboreal, meaning lives in trees, toad. Female toads are larger than males. Young live near the ground and then move up into the trees as they grow. Development and forest clearing threaten the climbing toad population. These guys live in Malaysia, Thailand, Borneo, and Sumatra.